The three product lines that we make are fast set spray, cold cast polymers, and hot cast prepolymers.
We promise that if you work with us, we'll be able to find and create a product that will be exactly tailored to your needs.
Oddball materials, oddball requests, tweaks of materials to make custom batches, custom materials, to give technical service. There's a lot of niches like that that we are willing to fill.
We have the resources to get after opportunities that the smaller guys don't, and then we've got the right people and the right, kind of focus to get after the opportunities that the big guys wouldn't have.
We have salespeople and we have manufacturing facilities in St. Louis. Our St. Louis facility ships conveniently all across the Midwest and the East Coast, and it's important to have a local presence.
Our responsibility doesn't end when the product ships from the dock. We wrap this service component around these products. So then all the infrastructure that we've built out here with all the people in manufacturing and customer service, they just make sure that they cradle the customers so that the customers are always happy once they start buying from us.
That's what we give, that's what we do better than other people. I think we're very responsive to the customer's needs.
The customer calls, we need it on Thursday and it's Monday, we make it Monday and try to ship it out Tuesday so they can have it by Thursday.
For customers that need it sooner, we stock a lot of different products, including customized products for customers for same day or next day shipment.
If your machine goes down, if the chemical is not running to your satisfaction, we will have a salesperson and a technical person on site at your facility the next day.
And they go and take care of our customers' needs, whether it's in a shop, in a factory, if they have a problem with their equipment.
When you do business with Chemline, I promise we won't let you down.